Hello and welcome. Okay, I've had a few queries about the freebie hub, so I'm just making this video just to help those who are having trouble accessing. Basically, the freebie hub is just something I offer to to give our newbies some digital templates when you're starting out. You might not want to buy anything and you just want to see what it's like on your Remarkable, your BOOX, Supernote, your iPad, GoodNotes, whatever it is you've got. So this is the freebie hub. So this is actually, you can see I'm in admin mode, which is why that blue line you wouldn't have. But this is what you will see when you come into the portal. So there's a few different things under the welcome tab, and each one of these you can click on it and it will take you into another screen. Now the way it's set up, it calls them lessons and categories, but you don't need to worry about that. And then you can access also the same things in this category, the welcome category. You can access that down here as well. So you can get back. So we'll get back to the main screen. Freebie hub. And these are along the top here, we've got, first of all of these under welcome, and then under Remarkable BOOX, we've got the yellow legal pad. That's really popular. Everyone loves that. There's a notebook that I've created. These are sleep screen and notebook covers along here. Then there's right-handed templates here that you can, they're PDFs, and let me go to, let's go to Daily Planner 2. So these are single page templates. You can sort of see I've put a small image there of what it is. When you come down to the one that's highlighted, over on the right here, you'll see this little tiny icon. When you click on that, it will bring up the PDF for you. So you can just click on that and then it'll ask you to download it to somewhere on your computer. Now, it may look different on your phone, so you may not have access to all of the same functionality. So my suggestion is to do it on your computer. That can be, depending on the browser you use, that can cause differences of what you see. And then under GoodNotes, all these templates work on the Remarkable as well, just so you know. Down here, there's some colouring in. Up here, there's some other templates. Study planner, stop the overwhelm, family chore chart, Christmas gift planning, monthly planning, getting it done. So there's just some options for what you can have. And you can see that the little arrows, there's only 3 categories, but the little arrows take you across. If you're in one of my other membership, this one's free. My other one is $7 a month, that Digital Life. It has a lot more in it. And there's many categories that you would click on this little arrow and go across. So that is the freebie hub. This is what you should see when you log in. I'll just show you the login screen. So I'm just going to make this bigger, pull it across. So when you click on the link that's down below, you'll come to this screen. This is here. This is me over here. And you will sign up. You'll be a new user signing up, and you will just pick a username and password, which will become your credentials that you will use to log in here all the time. And you'll use the same link. It's actually the link up the top here. You can see community.wholeheartedmecollective.com/login. That's actually the link that will be down below. That will always bring you to this screen. And once you've bookmarked it, it will remember your password, username, and it won't ask you every time. But there is one other thing. So what happens when you log in, when you do log in here, you will come to the freebie hub first. So this is the freebie hub here. It's like a Facebook page. It's a similar software, so you could think of it just like a Facebook page. You can ask me questions, whatever you like. But this is also where you access this hub. I'll show you. Up the top, you can see discussion, then you can see learning. Now, that is for that Digital Life if you want to access that through this portal, you can. That is the paid membership. That's the $7 a month one, which has some a bonus package of planner, journal, notebooks, and then it's got over 350 templates, I think that there is currently. I'm just working on Habit Tracker month. May is Habit Tracker month. And next month I think we're going to do clients. So some videos and some template packages. We've already got templates in there for clients, but we're just going to upgrade it, update it, do all of that. So anyway, and this is, you click on the Freebie Hub here and it takes you to this portal here that I've just showed you. Right, so if I click back, we'll go back to the Facebook page. Or it's not a Facebook. It's just the software I have on my website. So this is really cool because you can talk to me here if you want to, or you can just click on the Learning tab and go to the Freebie Hub and it will take you here and you can access all the templates. If you want a template, all you do is you click on it, like the yellow legal pad, and then I will often have notes here for you, just a bit of information. But you basically just come down here to that little icon over on the right and you download what you want. See? That's it. Awesome. So I hope that helps those of you that are, a couple of you have said you've seen a blank screen, and that can happen if I just log in several times, or I'll close my browser and log in again if ever I get any issues on my computer. I normally just restart everything. So I hope that helps. Please feel free to access what we have here because it's here to get you started. And that way you can see whether you like doing digital planning, getting organized digitally, or whether you want to stick with paper. All right, I will go for now. And thanks for being here. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.